What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'm really white right now because I have such a bright light in front of me and I have no tan and this top is dark, so it just makes me look a lot whiter, and also I have dark lips on. So anyways, today we are going to be doing a video that I have been waiting to do for I think 13 months, which is really crazy. About a year ago, I went to Goodwill and I was like, I'm gonna find a t-shirt and I'm gonna do a DIY on the t-shirt. I found this t-shirt right here. And I was like, I'm going to show everyone how to make a perfect crop top. And then I put it in my closet, and 12 months later, here I am going to show you guys how to make a crop top perfectly. And also, I'm going to show you how to make a tube top out of one t-shirt. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe right down below, and keep on watching. The first thing you want to do is take a measuring tape or whatever this is called, and you want to go from your shoulder, so from the side all the way across, which is about to where like your little hole is right here, and down to your belly button. So if my belly button is right here where my waistline ends, we go down and it's about 14 inches I'm going to do. And we're going to go on to the t-shirt and measure from the top all the way to the bottom, which is 14 inches, and then crop that off. Okay, so I cropped the crop top and then now I'm left with this. So wherever it closed, which is right here, we're gonna cut it out and get rid of it. And then since I know my bra line is 32 inches, I'm gonna go in with my like measurement tape thingy, whatever it's called, and I'm gonna measure 32 inches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe right down below, and if you want more of these, then make sure to give a thumbs up, for I know you guys like these. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!